I've been looking for chandelier references all over Pinterest, and a few days ago, I came across this fringe chandelier which totally grabbed my attention. I love how this has a boho feel which will lift up any space. So today I'm going to give this a try. So let's see how it turns out. So here's what you need to get started. 3 sizes of embroidery hoops, small, medium and large, a pair of scissors, some twine, hot glue gun, a fringe lace. Start by unscrewing the hoop. We will only be using the inside ring. Then cut 4 pieces of twine approximately 15 inches. Now tie the twine to the smallest hoop. Then using a ruler, mark out 12 centimeters, which will be the space between the first and the second hoop. Once done, tie the twine at the marked place to the second hoop. Do the same thing on the last hoop as well. Repeat the same process by first tying the knot to the smallest hoop on the other 3 sides. Now measure out 2 more pieces of twine approximately 10 inches and tie them to the largest hoop. Use a knot to secure this as this will hold up the chandelier. Now just hold up your chandelier to start gluing the fringe. Grab your hot glue gun and glue the fringe to the hoops starting with the smallest and working your way to the biggest. So go ahead and give this piece a try. Do let me know in the comments below how your efforts turned out. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to join me next week for another cool DIY video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.